Hey guys, so we are installing our Real Silk frontal wig and the scalp color is brown. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut the lace completely off. So as you guys see, as I'm cutting the lace off, it's very invisible. And that comes available for all skin tones and complexions for our customized Real Silk frontals and closures. So now that the lace is completely cut off, as you can see, this is the finished look. There is no glue, gel, or product or anything. And now I am going to go in with the famous hot comb that everybody loves to make the wig nice and flat and flawless. So now I'm just combing out the big curls so we can give that really fluffy, big, big wave / curl look. And also layered. And this is the finished look. Sexy, classy, simple. Shop now at www.silkopulence.com.